Look at me, is this prophet. We are to if he knows any good, can look me more you could. Knows the even poor, man, look me more you. If this prophet to say, go put our professors in Boston, Anna, we manage. Otherwise, they are 5 years to come. But look at me, never be a man. At least, who are the sons of Pumele, Ganas, Sons of Pumele, who want to got to see, he's the prophet who look at me, never be a man. Who want to provide a good who has 7 people take time, no super business, in and what for Pumele, Ganas, and your Pumele, go to Lunia was me, not only me, serious prophet, who never will share a book, who will carry, who are by my serious prophet, who what in Ayis, serious prophet, who should never start, who could have taken high the command, who not business prophet. What have you done? What did you get up on Yamako? Best of the Lord. Best of the Akadis. Having issue, opening issue, into the prophet of the Kanya, and the Yimino. Now, who can you the child? Who was a normal figure with him? Yamaxas. No, could he call that child? He now could why you can call him Israel? And so, why you can call